enthusiasts and homeowners. Renovating your house can be an exciting and rewarding project, but it's essential to approach it with careful planning and consideration. In this video series, we'll guide you through the key considerations for a successful house renovation. Whether you're giving your home a fresh look or maximizing its potential, understanding these important aspects will help you achieve your renovation goals effectively and within budget. Let's dive into the essential factors that will ensure your renovation project is a resounding success. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Prioritize projects that offer the best return on investment and align with your goals. Determine the quality of your renovation and decide whether to hire professionals or not. Plan for potential delays and set a realistic timeline to avoid frustration. Save for your renovation by cutting expenses and increasing income. Consider financing options like home equity loans and personal loans. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the essential considerations for your house renovation. We hope the series has equipped you with valuable insights and knowledge to embark on your renovation project confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more renovation tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We love hearing from our fellow dye enthusiasts. Happy renovating, and may your home transformation be everything you dream.